Hello, good day viewers. Here is another interesting Olympiad mathematics question. We are given that if x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, we are asked to find the value of x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 6 plus 1. As always, we are not going to solve this quadratic equation before substituting into this expression. Rather, apply Olympiad standard. So I would like to use this first equation, divide every single term by x. X is definitely not equal to 0, therefore we can go ahead and divide both sides by x. How do I know that x cannot be equal to 0? Suppose x is 0, you see the whole of these two terms will become 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 is not equal to 0, hence x cannot be equal to 0. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. So here is the equation. I would like to divide every single term by x. So the first term, which is x squared divided by x, will give us x. Minus this divided by x will be equal to 3, then plus 1 divided by x equal to 0 divided by x, which is still 0. Then we can take negative 3 to the other side. We have x plus 1 divided by x to be equal to positive 3. Here is an important equation. Let us keep it here. Then secondly, I would like to square this equation. I would like to square x plus 1 divided by x. If you square that applying binomial expansion, you take the first term, you square that is x squared, plus square the second term, that will give us 1 divided by x squared, then 2 multiplied by the first term multiplied by the second term, and we are done with the expansion. But remember that x plus 1 divided by x is nothing but 3 from here, so we can plug in 3 here. So we have 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus, if you multiply these two expressions, you're going to get 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then you can see to the left hand side we have 9, and you can bring this 2 backward, so we have minus 2. This is equal to x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, and 9 minus 2 is 7, which implies that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is nothing but 7. Here is another important equation. Let me box it. And lastly, I would like to multiply x plus 1 divided by x by x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. Let us expand it. If you take x, you multiply by x squared, that will give us x to the third power. Take x again, multiply by this, you're going to obtain 1 divided by x, 1 divided by x. Then take the second term, this time this will give us x, so we have plus x. Then this time this will give us 1 divided by x cubed, 1 divided by x cubed. Let's simplify. Remember that this is 3, this is 7 from these two equations. You see we have 3 here for x plus 1 divided by x, and we have 7 here for x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. So we have 3 multiplied by 7. This is equal to, I can group this and this together. That will give us x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power. Then we have the other 2 times x plus 1 divided by x. To the left hand side we have 3 times 7, which is 21. This is equal to x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power. Then plus x plus 1 divided by x is 3, right? So we have plus 3. Then you can simply subtract 3 from both sides. By taking 3 to the left hand side, we have 21 minus 3. This is equal to x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power. And 21 minus 3 is 18. Hence, x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power is equal to 18. And this is the last important equation. Now, let us go back to the main expression that we wish to evaluate. This is the expression we wish to evaluate. Let me just copy that. All right, here is the expression. Having known that x is not equal to 0, let us divide the top and the bottom by x to the third power. divide this by x to the third power, divide the bottom by x to the third power. The fraction will remain equivalent, right? So to the top, this divide by this will give us 1. So we have 1 divided by x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 3, applying one of the laws of indices. That will give us x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power. That is 1 divided by x to the third power. You see, we have just simplified this to this. But we have a value that represents x to the third power plus 1 divided by x to the third power, which is nothing but 18. And finally, this is equal to 1 divided by 18, which is the final answer. And hence, the whole of this, if simplified, we're going to get 1 divided by 18, provided that this particular equation is true. This particular equation here. If at all it is true, then the whole of this will be 1 divided by 18. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.